Today I get to paint.
I
started out and I'm excited. So I would like to let everyone know that if you have any questions or feel free to contact me. My contact info is on the profile. You can click the bio if you're about the movement. Yes, I will start grabbing this stuff for the paintings. Okay, you don't get your color.
Pink, white, green.
Sweet. Crayfish swimming.
What's that, KK? Okay, pink.
Starry night right here.
But, okay, pink.
Where you adding that to it on there? Where that top piece is? I'll take like practically every color.
Me too. I'm gonna draw it. Kind of flower.
White.
The rose is white and pink.
What else you want?
Oh, green.
I want every color.
She needs green for her flower.
What? Is this gonna be a top color then?
Think you need the yellow?
No. Oh, for the sorry, no, yeah.
What kind of green? Dark green?
Dark
That's
is mixed.
blue.
You mix the dark to make it light.
I want every color.
Where's the top piece?
Ooh, grab me that. Put it back in the bag.
Is that red?
Okay, so you want dark green or light green? You want the dark.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's the color? Just do back in there.
It's okay, just go to the top in there. I don't want to see it.
Put it on top. Put it on.
Alright, and now we're adding CJ colors. Tell me the colors you want.
Practically every color.
What do you mean practically everything?
Every color. I may mix.
I should only have to give you red, white, and blue. I mean, not
green.
I mean yellow,
Green.
red, and blue.
Yellow, red, and blue.
But you can mix all your colors.
Yo, are you forgetting? Blue, red, green. I'll tell you these.
And some white.
You are not taking away my grapes for colors. Cake it. You don't need to go crazy. Just need to go
Come on, you need every color.
clean every color.
You decided on one or you doing both?
I'm making it. Make it. Can I do that?
You don't
When
want
I ever gonna use brown? No. Why what?
What do you need black for?
Yo, you be surprised what you be needing for
No,
colors.
you don't. You don't need the black.
See this? She's not giving me colors.
I made my own cake.
KK got colors over there.
I made my own
Cake
cake.
is gonna scream at me if I try to do something.
You need that. You can mix the color to make
I'm not
that.
mixing two colors.
Because we already running out of green.
This is
My white turning to green.
This is running out. Spring green. I'll be forgetting colors we have unique ones.
No, my white turning green.
Oh, you're running out of dark green.
Go ahead,
That's why
yeah.
I need to use black. You can make those bright colors darker.
That's okay, you're good. Go ahead, take that.
That one's nice.
Grab one of them brushes from over there and use that water.
Paper, please.
Okay.
Paper, please. Give me a paper.
Oh, yes. I'm going to grab the paper.
Are you supposed to tie this like a shoe? Yeah, it's like a shoe. I feel like I'm being waist tight by this.
Thing.
Okay. Oh, and you have your canvas thing. Where you put it? Because I don't have it here.
You don't?
Yeah. No, look at my...
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
using it as a stand for the
Oh,
flowers.
yes. That's what's going on. Okay. But you should be all right like that.
Can you tie this? My brain can't understand backwards. Tie it like a shoe. I think that's the only way to take it off. That's all. With the tie.
We're gonna do this one and we're gonna do this one. So we have these, and look, KK started her beautiful flower. That is so beautiful. Look, she started. She's gonna do this one, and we're gonna do two. And then remember, we're gonna fill the whiteboard over there. Join us, yes, in our painting session. Hi, Eva. Look at you. Thank you for your engagement. Make sure you like my videos or comment. And if you have any questions, you can message me, you can email me at my contact information in my profile, and you can also click my link in my bio so that you can join my movement. We're gonna spend the rest of the weekend painting, and we're gonna make sure we make enough paintings to fill up our whiteboard.